Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video tutorial. In this video, I will explain what exactly PWI Fund is, how you can use PWI Fund on your computer to raise funds for Ambassadors Football, and how you can install the PWI Fund extension. Now, Ambassadors Football has partnered with an organization called PWI. This stands for Project World Impact. And what PWI does is that it partners with nonprofits like Ambassadors Football to come up with tools that enable the nonprofits like Ambassadors to raise funds for their work in simple and innovative ways. Now, one of these simple and innovative ways is PWI Fund. PWI Fund is a browser extension, and once you have this browser extension on your computer, you simply need to open up new tabs, and small amounts of change is then credited to our account. So all you need to do is open new tabs by clicking the plus sign on your browser, and with every new tab, small amounts of change is credited to the work of Ambassadors Football in Africa. Now, I want to show us how to install this extension in a short and simple process. So all you need to do is go to google.com. And once you're on Google, on the search bar, go ahead and search for the Chrome Web Store. Once the results are up, go ahead and click on the first result, and this will take you to the actual Chrome Web Store. Great. Now, since you're in the web store, on the top left of the web store is a search bar, and what you're going to search for is PWI Fund. Great, and there's the result. It's the only extension called PWI Fund, so you should have a pretty easy time getting it on your computer. So go ahead and click on it. And what you're going to do now is you're going to add it to Chrome. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds to check if it's safe. It is, and it's going to ask you if it can read and change all your data on the websites that you visit. It's a pretty safe extension, so there's no need to worry. And yeah, you can go ahead and add the extension. So when you click add the extension, it's going to download the extension onto your browser, and you can see it adding on the bottom left corner of your Google Chrome browser. Great. So you will see it appear on your top right browser, and that's when you will know that the PWI Fund extension is on your computer. Now, it will ask you if you want to turn on sync. So this means that you can have the extension on probably all of your computers. For the sake of this video, I will not. I just want to show you how to get the extension on your browser. Now that you have the extension on your browser, you need to activate it. So go ahead and click on the PWI Fund icon on your browser, and it's going to open up a small page asking you to get started. Now, to use PWI Fund, you need a PWI account. Now, don't worry if you do not have an account. It's as easy as ABC. You just need to go and create an account. It's going to open up a new page for you, and all you need to do is give your details. That's your name, that's your email, and then you're going to be required to set a password. Now, this process will take you less than a minute. So yeah, as you can see, you'll be required to give your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, your gender, and just how you heard from Project World Impact. So I have a PWI account, so I don't need to create another one. So when I get to the extension, I will just log in and not sign up as before. and I am in. So for a first-time user, after you create your account, it's going to ask you to select an organization. I had already selected an organization, Ambassadors Football Africa, and that's why it hasn't asked me. But if you are a new user, you are going to be asked, and all you need to do is come and select an organization. And on the drop-down, you will find a couple of organizations. So on this select organization, just type AMB, and it's going to bring Ambassadors Football Africa. All you need to do is select and confirm. And there you have it. You now have the PWI Fund extension, and it's working on your browser. Now that you have the PWI Fund browser extension on your laptop or on your computer, it's as easy as opening a new tab, and small amounts of change will be credited to the work of Ambassadors Football here in Africa. Now, the other thing that you will notice is that with every tab that you open, you will find lots of PWI icons. That's okay. This is PWI talking about some of the projects that we are running here in Africa, so that is okay. Now, this is also available on Mozilla Firefox. If you use Firefox as your default browser, you can also get the extension there. It's a simple process. You only need to download it and search for it on the web store. PWI Fund also allows you to donate some spare change from your online shopping to the work of Ambassadors Football in Africa. This is, however, limited to people living in the USA only. So if you live in the USA and you love shopping online, you can donate some spare change using PWI Fund to the work of Ambassadors Football in Africa. So that's how you download the browser extension, the PWI browser extension on your browser. And we would love for you to get this extension on your browser so that you can help us make a difference.